electric dipole. Okay, so that is we are going to call the what? Electric dipole. So electric dipole, so you know that two equal and opposite charges separated by a certain distance. Okay, so if this placed in a uniform electric field, already we have understood the torque acting on a electric dipole. So when it is placed in a uniform electric field, their torque we have calculated. How to calculate the torque, that we have understood. So now we are going to understanding the what? Energy. Okay, so here we are calculating the potential energy of a dipole placed in uniform electric field. Placed in a what? Uniform electric field. So that we are going to understanding. Now this is one dipole. When it is placed, so what will be happen? Two axes it is going to be act. How exactly it will be acting means, so you can see that this is the one negative charge, this is the positive charge. So it is separated by a distance, that is 2a. It is separated by a distance what? 2a. So now the positive charge, the plus q charge, so it will be move along the direction of the electric field, and negative charge, the force exert on it is opposite to the what? That positive charge. Positive charge, whatever the direction is there, no, so it is opposite to the this will be acting. As we are knowing in the figure, we are going to see that E vector is uniform electric field. I have written here E vector, it is the what? Uniform electric field. What do you know about the uniform electric field means? The electric field it will be same in all the direction and magnitude. Okay, so it must be what? Same or equal in its magnitude and same direction. So all the whatever the I have drawn here electric field lines, it is parallel with them. Okay, so that parallel with this uniform electric field, when you are placed the one dipole like this way, positive and negative charges separated by a certain distance, that we are going to call the dipole. So there is a one dipole moment, we can see that P vector is a dipole moment. So dipole moment I am going to explain what is it. So when you place the, so then what happens now? So there is a force is going to be exert. Okay, the electric field means what? Force experienced per unit charge. The force is going to be experienced by that positive charge. So that will be move in the direction of the what? Electric field, and the negative charge it will be move opposite to the direction of the electric field. So when two equal and opposite forces acting, for example this is the dipole, when you are acting, then it going to be get the what? Rotating motion. Equal and opposite forces plus q e vector and minus q e vector act on its two ends. What will be happen? The net force acting on it is equal to 0. How it is equal to 0 means, so I will going to show you that. So this is net force equal to plus QE and this is minus QE. So this is plus QE and minus QE. So then equal and opposite charges, when they add, so then the net force what we are getting, no, it is equal to 0. So that will be equal to what? 0. If there is no force, then it should not be, so there is no change in that position. Okay, as we are knowing that force means what? Force means to change the state of rest or state of uniform motion. If force is equal to 0, then it is equilibrium force, it should not be in the motion. Okay, so what will be happen at this point? Actually what will be happen means it get rotating, so it will be possible only when there is a torque is acting. What is a torque? Okay, so as we are knowing that on any arm, okay, two equal and opposite forces acting on arm, there we are going to call the couple. Couple means what? Two equal and opposite forces. Okay, so couple is going to be act. So this is minus this one is F vector and that will be the F vector. Two equal and opposite forces is going to be act on this dipole. That is the moment arm we are going to call it. So then couple, it's a part of the torque only. So the torque means what? The torque exerted by the couple, that is equal to force into perpendicular distance. Force into what? A perpendicular distance. This is the one force. Okay. So force and this is the what? Perpendicular. If I taken this one, it is the one perpendicular. The force acting on this perpendicular moment R. That will be what? A moment R. So it means that force into perpendicular distance. So torque is nothing but the rotating force. Torque is called rotating force. Okay, torque ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ರೀ? ಸೈಕಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ ವಾಟರ್ನಲ್ಲೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಕಪಲ್ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಟೇರಿಂಗ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವಲ್ಲ ಈ ಥರ, ಸ್ಟೇರಿಂಗ್ ಸಲಗೂ ನಾವೇನದ ಇದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಈಗ ಬಾಟಲ್ ಅದ, ಈ ಬಾಟಲನ್ನು ನಾವು ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈ ಬಾಟಲನ್ನು ನಾವು ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಓಪನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಕಪಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್. Okay, if I want to close this one, again we require the what? Couple only. So that is torque. We are going to call the torque. Okay, so that torque equal to force into perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance I have not written here. This is the A point. This is what we are going to call the B, and this is the what? C. ABC, it is the one triangle. So BC is the perpendicular distance of this one. So the torque is going to be act. So that is F into BC. BC is the what? Perpendicular distance, as we are knowing it. Okay. So this one, it is in the triangle ABC. So you can see that triangle ABC, sin theta equal to BC by AB. Sin theta, what is that? This is one triangle ABC. ABC is the one triangle. So that is sin theta equal to BC divided by AB. Okay. So BC by AB means BC equal to AB sin theta. So what is the distance of AB? It is 2A sin theta. Okay. So someone they are once again the triangle sin theta equal to BC by AB, BC equal to 2A sin theta. So if the dipole is rotating, if the dipole is rotating against if the dipole is rotated through a small angle d theta. Okay, so against the what? Torque, against torque. Okay, so torque, it is acting torque, then the small work done is done. Okay, so then what happens now? Then the small work done is, so small work done is, so work done small work done is so here we can see that small work done means, so this tau vector BC. Okay, so I have to substitute here BC value. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಸಿಯನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಸೊ ಡಿ ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸೊ ಟೌ ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ಥೀಟಾ. ಸೊ ಟೌ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಬಿ ಇಂಟು ಎಫ್ ಇಂಟು ಬಿ ಸಿ ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ಥೀಟಾ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ? ಬಿ ಸಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ 2a sin theta, and f value it is a QE into, okay, 2a sin theta into d theta. Whether you people understood the steps? ಇದು ತಿಳಿದದ? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಡಿ ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿನಿ. ಸೊ ಡಿ ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ರೋಟೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್. ರೋಟೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಟಾರ್ಕ್. ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಗುಲರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಇದು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ತೋರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು? ಆ್ಯಂಗುಲರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಟೌ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ವಿ ನೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಎಫ್ ಇಂಟು ಬಿ ಸಿ. Okay, I have substituted f into bc into d theta. So and then f. So this is the what? QE. What is that? QE. Okay, f equal to, already I have written that QE. Here it is the QE. Okay, the force. Okay, so that is the QE. So this is bc. Bc value, what is that? 2a sin theta. What is that? 2a sin theta. So 2a sin theta into d theta. Okay, 2a sin theta into d theta we are taking it. So this QE, okay, so now we can write down E into, this is 2Q into 2A, this is sin theta into d theta. So this Q into 2A, it is nothing but our dipole moment. ಅದು ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ರೀ, dipole moment ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so what is that? Dipole moment. Okay, so this dipole moment, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಈ ಥರ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಾವು Q into 2A into sin theta ಈ ಥರನೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ P vector equal to, it's a product of Q into 2A. It's a product of what? Q into 2A. So therefore dW equal to PE sin theta into d theta. PE sin theta into d theta we are taking it. Now what we are doing, you know, so the total work done in rotating the dipole from its orientation making an angle theta with the direction of the field to theta 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೊಗೊಂಡು ನಾವು, ಸೊ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಏನದ ಥೀಟಾ 1 ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ, ಫೈನಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಏನು ತೊಗೋತೇವೆ ಥೀಟಾ 2 ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೇವೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್. ಸೊ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ 1 ರೊಟೇಷನ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ, ಸೊ ಥೀಟಾ 1 to ಥೀಟಾ 2 ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಈಗ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ in rotating the dipole from, okay, so dipole from its orientation ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so it's a orienting ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ, so it is a rotating, so making an angle, orientation making an angle theta 1. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ನಾ ಏನು ತೊಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಥೀಟಾ 1 ಅಂತ ತೊಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಥೀಟಾ 1 ನಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೇನದ, ವಿತ್ ದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್, with the direction of the field, ಇದು ರಬ್ ನಾನು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀನಿ, ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಟು ಥೀಟಾ 2 ಈಸ್, ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ನಿಂದ, ಸೊ ಥೀಟಾ 1ನಿಂದ ಥೀಟಾ 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದ W ಟೋಟಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು W ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಥೀಟಾ 1 to ಥೀಟಾ 2. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಟು ದ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್, ಥೀಟಾ 1 to the theta 2 we are taking it. So this is theta. Okay, so PE sin theta into d theta we are considering. So this value PE equal to, so PE I have taken the outside, so dipole moment and electric field I have taken the outside. So what we are taking now, theta 1 to theta 2 we are taking it, theta 1 to theta 2 we are considering. So this is sin theta into d theta. Integration of sin theta is, what is that? Integration of sin theta is cos theta, plus cos theta or minus cos theta. Here minus cos theta we are taking. Integration of sin theta, it is the minus cos theta. So this we are writing like this way. This is integration of sin theta is minus cos theta. So this is the what? Limit theta 1 to theta 2. That I will going to write down here, theta 1 to theta 2. Followed? Up to here you people understood? Any doubt regarding about this, you may going to ask the questions. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಏನಾರೇ ಡೌಟ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ, ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಆನ್ ದ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಸರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್, ಯು ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಶಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್, ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಶಾಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಇದು. Any doubt regarding about this, students? So PE So first we are going to substitute the upper limit. So upper limit means theta 2 minus sin as it is minus cos theta 2 minus cos theta 2. This is already one minus, it will be there, as we are knowing that limit applying means x minus x1 minus x2 we are taking like that, no. So here theta 1, okay, minus cos theta 2 first we are written, and then next it is about the what, minus cos theta 2, this is plus cos theta 1 minus minus ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರೀ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಪಿ ಇ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಮೊದಲು ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ 2 ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ capacity to do the work is nothing but the energy, that is the potential energy. Okay, so that is we are going to call the potential energy equal to u p e cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. So this is the what ultimate result we required it. Okay, so we required the what ultimate result. So if the orientation is like this way, for example, if theta 1 is equal to 90 degree, if theta 1 it is initial angle is 90 degree, and theta 2 it is theta, I will consider it, theta 2 it is the theta. If I consider, then what will be its potential energy? So what will be its potential energy? So that we are calculating here. So here, so therefore u equal to p e. So see that this is cos 90 minus this is cos theta 2, theta 2 is theta, cos 90 is 0, cos 90 is 0 or 1, cos 90 0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, sin 90 is 1. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೀವು ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸನ್ನು ಸೈನ್ ಟೀಟಾ ಕಾಸ್ ಟೀಟಾ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನದ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೀಟಾ ಸೈನ್ ಟೀಟಾ ಬೈ ಕಾಸ್ ಟೀಟಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ನೋ. ಸೊ ಇವು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿರಿ, 0 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, ಇವು ಇಷ್ಟು ಸೈನ್ ಟೀಟಾ ಕಾಸ್ ಟೀಟಾ ನೆನಪಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ you have to remember. So cos 90 is 0, so this is u equal to p e, this is minus cos theta, so this is nothing but the minus p e cos theta. Okay, so that is the minus p e cos theta. So this is a scalar product, this is a what, a scalar product. This one what we are, whatever it is there, no, that is minus p e of the what, scalar product also we have written. Follow the students. Any doubt, you are having any doubt, you may going to ask the questions. ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನೇ ಡೌಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಮೀ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನೇ ಡೌಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ಫಾಲೋಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಮ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ special cases of NEET I will going to explaining. Okay, special cases of NEET, that is what are the things is there. So you can see that we are using this one u equal to minus p e cos theta, using that some of the situation. For example, NEET ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಏನು ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ, the position of the stable equilibrium. So when a dipole is placed in a uniform electric field, okay, so what will be the its stable means it is in the equilibrium position only. So what is the value, how to calculate it? So these are the some cases are there that we can understand here. Special case we can see it. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಾನು ಆನ್ ದ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ರಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ, ಆದಷ್ಟು ನೀವು ಕ್ಲೀದಾಗನ ಏನದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಶಾಟ್ ತೊಗೋತಾ ಇರ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಸೊ ಯಾಕಂತಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಈಗ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಈಗೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಇದೆ, ನಾನು ಏನದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ, ಈಗ ನಾವೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಅಂದಮ್ಯಾಗ ಏನದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದ, ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಅದ. ಸೊ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಬೆದರ್ಲಿ ಏನದ ಹಿಂಗೆ 3 ನಾಮ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರೆ ಏನದ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತದೆ, ಆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ತೊಗೋತಾ ಇರ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ದ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕೇಸ್, the first one we are going to see that position of stable equilibrium, position of stable equilibrium, position of stable equilibrium. Okay, so position of stable equilibrium is So here theta equal to 0. So when theta equal to 0, if I place the value here, therefore u equal to minus PE cos 0. Okay, so cos 0 value is 1. So that is a 1. So that is minus PE. So this is the what condition for this one. This is the NEET. Okay, so NEET based questions. So ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದ ಈ ಮೂರು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. So position of stable equilibrium. So when a electric dipole is placed in a uniform electric field ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಮೂರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಪಿ ಎ ಒಂದಾಯಿತು, ಬಿ ಏನದ ಪಿ ಇ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ಸಿ ಏನದ 0 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಡಿ 1/p ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. So like that 4 options they will going to give it. So stable position of stable equilibrium ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನೀಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನದ ಯು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪಿ ಇ ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಝೀರೋ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಝೀರೋ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅದರದ್ದು ಎನರ್ಜಿ 0 ಆಗಿರ್ತದ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಝೀರೋ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 0 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಝೀರೋ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ಇದು ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಯಾವಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ ರೀ? ವೆನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ. ಈಗ 0 ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ? ಥೀಟಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 90. ಸೊ ಕಾಸ್ 90 is 0. ಕಾಸ್ 90 ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ? 0. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. So they were going to ask that so when will be the position of energy is 0 when electric dipole placed in a uniform electric field means so theta value they are going to ask it. Theta is 0, 90, cos 180, so or cos 2 theta equal to 270 ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. So based upon that theta equal to 90, then the position of the that energy is 0. Okay, so 0 energy we are getting it. So the next third one, position of unstable equilibrium. When it is unstable equilibrium, okay, so ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಅನ್ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಅನ್ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇಕ್ವಿಲಿಬ್ರಿಯಮ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ವೆನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕಾಸ್ 180 ಈಸ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್? ಇದು 0 ಆಗಿರ್ತದ. ಕಾಸ್ 180 ಈಸ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್? -1. ಕಾಸ್ 180 ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ ರೀ? -1 ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ -1 ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತೀವಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪಿ ಇ cos 80 is -1, that is u equal to plus e. Okay, so this is the what? Plus p is the what? Unstable equilibrium. So minus it is minus p is the stable equilibrium. So theta equal to 90, it is the 0 energy. So this is regarding about what? So potential energy of a electric dipole when it is placed in a uniform electric field. So this one concept today I have completed. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow I am going to continue with some more points like dielectrics means what, polar, non-polar, it will coming. Afterwards capacitor will be there. It is very interesting concept, capacitor. So after that capacitor, it totally this chapter is going to be completing. So next is about the what? Numericals. Numericals we are going to start it. Okay, I hope you people understood today's class. So if you have any doubt, you going to ask on the WhatsApp group ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ಸರ್ ಇದು ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಅಂತಲೂ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.